Say Dada.
Mama.
Mama, that's right. Aria. Good morning. Are you ready for the last day of school? Are you ready? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, well, hurry up and get up. You ready for the last day of school? Good morning. What day is it today?
Last day is all.
Are you excited?
I think pirate wanna come a day of sleepover maybe.
No. Happy Canada Day. Today our plans actually got ruined, unfortunately, because of the weather. It's raining and cloudy, and I'm pretty sure that the fireworks that we were hopefully going to go see are no longer going off. I am waiting right now for Leo to wake up, and I'm gonna dress him in his Canada Day outfit that I got him, and then hopefully we're gonna go take pictures just outside on our porch where hopefully they won't get wet. This is Leo's first Canada Day, and I don't know, I just want to take a picture at least. So this is the outfit that Leo's going to be wearing. I got these overalls on sale and I thought they were so cute. They're just like red and white stripes. So cute. And then this shirt that Dan's sister actually got him a while ago. And it's so cute, and it's just gonna go under the overalls, and then his socks. So cute. I also got Aria and Kaden new outfits as well. Nothing special, they're just like red, but so cute, and hopefully they'll cooperate because they don't like to take pictures. Well, Aria likes to take pictures. Kaden doesn't like to take pictures. I want to show you guys my plants. These are my succulents. I'm not really sure what they are exactly called. I'm pretty sure this one is a zebra plant, and it started growing this thing out of it a couple weeks ago, and it just keeps getting taller and taller and taller. I am unsure of what it is. We're thinking that it's a flower, but I don't know if you guys can see close up. It doesn't really look like a flower. It kind of just looks like it's rooting another one of those. So we'll see what happens with that. I don't have huge experience with succulents. I kind of kill them, but I've had these guys for a while. And then this is my rubber plant. It's actually called that, but it is growing really tall and sideways. So I'm not really sure what to do about that. I don't know if I should keep it like this because I think it might be like reaching for the light. I don't But yeah, those are my plants. It's looking good in here, guys. Looking good.
Not good for me. I cleaned most of it, so all I have to do is clean all of this, and then I already cleaned the rest.
Yeah, it was such a mess. It's looking much better.
Leo,
You look so cute! Look at you! Uh-oh.
Colin.
Come here, buddy. Yeah, come here. Good job. You got it. Yay! Okay, you guys need to watch him for me. I need to go to the bathroom. So here you go. He's got a ball right here. Make sure he doesn't get into anything. I'll be right back. You didn't move anywhere. Good boy. You didn't go anywhere. So as you guys saw, Leo is now crawling, kind of. Not like fully on his like hands and knees crawling, but he's like army crawling around. You're getting grumpy. So that's so exciting. You can crawl. Okay, you ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You don't want to? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Oh no! And I know. And something else that he just learned how to do is to go from laying down to sitting up. He used to be able to just like go from sitting up to laying down, but now he can sit up after. Oh, of course he found it. Anyway, I think we should probably go take pictures outside before the sun goes down. So let's see how that works.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out.
Blah, 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 blah.
You are so cute.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
So as you guys can see, we got the new car. Dan went to go pick it up yesterday. I cleaned the seats. My carpet cleaner actually wasn't really working properly, which was annoying, but I did my best and I cleaned the seats. And now Dan is installing the car seats and we're hopefully gonna go for a ride. We have nowhere to go because everything's closed, but we're excited to go for a ride in the new car. Right! Okay, look in your car seat. What do you see?
Get out.
Leah, what are you doing in there?
That's too big.
Yeah.
Too big.
Yeah, I know.
It's hard.
He's just sitting in there while Dad puts his car seat in.
Nah.
Because I don't want to hold him anymore. Uh-oh. What's that mean?
It's fire.
Can I get the deep fried pickles as well?
Okay.
And that'll be everything.
And would you like to donate $1 for this treatment?
Sure. What you want? You just filmed that person.
We got some ice cream cones and Aria's ice cream's just dripping everywhere. Yum. Is it good?
Oh my God.
Boo! Hi, buddy. We just got back. We got some food and then came home. And now the kids are getting ready for bed. Leo is over here having some puffs. Is it good? And then Dan and I are going to be watching Stranger Things because Volume 2 came out today and we've been patiently waiting for it. It's really creepy. I'm gonna be really scared. I honestly have nightmares after watching it. I get really scared where I can't get off my bed and I'm like frozen on my bed every time I watch scary movies. It's not good. But it's like so good that I like want to watch it, but it's so scary. So yeah, I'm excited to watch that. It's not raining right now, so I'm sure that there will still be fireworks going off. We did hear some when we were out, but we couldn't see them. The new car is so nice. There's so many like storage options, like under the floor, under the seats. It's crazy. The dashboard has like so many different storage things. There's like a console in the middle to hold stuff, and like our car before didn't have any of that stuff, so really nice. And also the back seat has so much more room for the kids, but unfortunately it did not stop them from fighting. They fought the whole time, which is lovely. I really wish that there was a third row so that we could stick one of the kids, probably Kaden, back there, and none of the kids would be able to touch each other or look at each other because you guys know what I mean, okay? Me and my sisters fought constantly and now my kids are fighting constantly, so that's fun. They did play together for like the majority of the day without fighting, kind of, but yeah, in the car they were really fighting with each other and arguing about everything. When we got here, they were fighting over who gets to close the door, and Aria was pulling the door open and Kaden was trying to push it shut, and then when one would close the door, the other one would open the door and close it again and just make each other so angry about the stupidest things. But I'm glad we're home and hopefully they'll go to bed. Kaden's really upset that he doesn't get to see fireworks and we're not going to see fireworks, but hopefully he'll get over it because he has not been acting the best today. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. and I'm gonna finish getting the kids ready for bed. And Aria might need a bath because she got real messy. We wiped her up with wipes, but she might need one. If not now, definitely tomorrow. Oh, thank you. Thank you for that ball. Oh, you want it back? Oh. He's getting grumpy. Oh. Why are you so mad? What's wrong, my buddy boy? Oh, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Ah. You're funny. You're funny. You're funny. Yeah, I'm gonna get him out of this outfit and put him in some PJs before he tries to fall off my bed. Because he's going. He's gonna fall. The bed is right here. He's about to fall. Hey, where's Dada? Where's Dada? Say, Dada.
Mama.
Mama, that's right. That's right.
Dada.
You can say Dada though. You want to say Dada? You're like, that's not Dada, that's Mama. Where's Dada? Yeah, Dada. You're just like flopping all over my bed. It's insane. What are you doing? Is that you as a bunny? Okay, that's enough. You don't need it. It's mine. And that's mine too. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Shook off all the bad vibes, cut me